Hello, so this will be my last video untuk siapkan satu DBMS, and our last step is to create a report. Bila kita tekan report ni, same goes to how all the others. Kita boleh buat report ni dengan menggunakan design view ataupun wizard, and as the same as our my last video, I will use wizard. And it will show up like this. Kita ambil kita punya query yang kita sudah buat, kita masukkan dia dalam sini, tekan next, labeling field macam ni yang sudah tolong kita sediakan. Next, grouping, kita tidak buat mana-mana grouping. Kalau kamu ada mau buat grouping, then you can put it in here like this, kan, like that. Tapi for me, I don't need that. So next, sort option, choose layout. I will just use the default, and this one, create report. Kita boleh namakan kita punya report. I will name it as report. EBL, CL, table, computer lab, static atau dynamic. So I will use dynamic supaya when we modify our report in the future, dia akan automatically modified. So, and finish. And this is our DBMS yang sudah siap. Boleh edit dokumen kita. And so macam ni lah. That's how we do our report. And siaplah satu DBMS bila kita tekan, contohlah tekan table, and we change our data. For lab room, we have 11 desk. Okay, and then we save, exit, and we check right into our report. Dia akan berubah di sini quantity dia. Automatically it will change. So that's how we do our report, and that's it.